I'm gonna show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. So to get started, you have to download first the Google Drive for desktop, and then after you download and install it, open this PC and open Google Drive, then My Drive. From there, you have to create a folder. After that, you can rename it whatever you want. So for me, I'm going to rename it Obsidian. And then once you've renamed it, you can now close this tab. And then from there, you just have to find your Obsidian and open it. Once you open your Obsidian, you have to open folder as Vault, then open this, and then you just have to click on this PC, then go to your Google Drive, and then from there you just have to click My Drive and then the folder that you created, and after that you just have to click on select folder, and once you click that, it will automatically appear loading check-ins and loading Vault. And after that, you are now synced in with Google Drive. So that's how you sync Obsidian with Google Drive.